Arkansas River in Rincon Campground in the Ekko. Little late season family camping trip. The Truma Vario heat won't turn on. And I described this to my wife as it's like we're in this beautiful garden and people have left rakes. So you just step in the rakes and get whacked in the face whenever whenever something is as gorgeous as this, it's just whack. So obviously we had motorhomes before. We understand the quality control is not the greatest, but this one's now, it's at that point where it's getting very frustrating. Doing anything strange. It says it's on. I heard the fan come on once for about 10 seconds last night. At 2 a.m. I was resetting everything, even tore apart the panel to get it going because we're at altitude in Colorado and it's a little chilly, so I don't want my kids to freeze too much. We're gonna still have fun today and go see some adventures and see some sights, but man. St. Elmo Ghost Town. Are you pro chipmunk? So this is my Vario heat. This is the combi. I had to pull up this panel, take off the doors. And so what it's doing now, during the night, it wasn't even flashing. Now I'm getting a flashing on the gas and then E2, and it's also E16 are the codes, which say it's out of gas. I've got plenty of propane, so the propane's full. No issues there. And the water heater works too. So I do have a fear about that plug because it's fully pinched underneath the frame of the vehicle. I'm trying to see if this switches on and off. Oh, spoke too soon. There, crapped out again. That's one more try. It's on. You hear it coming, feel cold air. There she goes. Oh. At 85, I feel some hot air. Yeah, that's definitely hot air. 5 degrees, it's freezing. I tore apart the heater, I tore apart the covers, tried to troubleshoot everything. 2 to 3:30, couldn't figure it out. Yesterday, I put out a plea on Facebook, and luckily, Jason from Echo Nesters took pity on me, and a whole bunch of other people offered great suggestions. And he helped me walk through the systems. And we essentially reset the system over and over and over again for an hour and a half. And what's good is at night, I wasn't getting any error codes. Everything was said it was working fine, but obviously there was no heat. And then with Jason, our troubleshooting, I started getting area codes, and the area codes were no gas and no heat. Obviously, I had gas. In propane, I could light the stovetop. My water heater worked, but I just couldn't get it to cycle. So last night, Jason sent me the manual and showed me kind of the switch buried under it. It's not really a user accessible switch. But after switching that a couple times, resetting the system once more, and setting the temperature to 85, I shouldn't have to tear apart everything to get to a switch to reset. some gas system. You know, as I said before, it's just like sometimes you just get your ass kicked trying to figure something out. But thank you for everybody on the Facebook forum who Facebook group who came out and tried to help. It was awesome. So we're on our way. We're gonna pack up, go do some hot springs, and explore more of this part of Colorado. This is Mount Princeton Hot Springs, and it's cool because in the river there's all these little natural pools. There's a couple pools and more. Cliffside above the hot springs.